guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys the real life of a private yacht captain. It's not always driving the boat. Today I got to do some maintenance. What the hell did I do here? So today I got to do some maintenance. I'm going to clean 5 sea strainers, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. It's going to be my first time cleaning sea strainers on this boat. For those of you who don't know, this is a 2021 Cantius 50. It's a brand new boat that was delivered to the owner on December, so it's only 5 months old, and I'm the captain. So I'm 100% in charge of this boat, and that includes doing preventative maintenance, scheduling for maintenance. It includes checking up on the boat periodically, and yeah. Whew. Feels nice in here. So the plan is there's 2 strainers. Or there's 1 strainer on each engine. There's a strainer for the generator, there's a strainer for the seakeeper, there's a strainer for the AC unit, and I'm gonna clean all of them. I did an orientation on this boat a few days ago, and it was from the company themselves. They came on board and they showed me all the systems and showed me everything that I should be doing as the captain. And one of the things that they highly recommended was to clean the strainers, check the strainers, and clean them at least once a week. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do that. There's also a lot of other things that should be done as preventive maintenance on these big motor yachts, but we're not gonna do that today. One of them being flushing out the AC unit. I don't feel 100% comfortable flushing out the AC and the generator just yet. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on that. So if any of you guys are experts, comment down below, please. So here we're in the engine room. Boats ran by some Volvo Pentas IPS 700s. This is the first time I run a boat that has these engines and this system, and I absolutely love it. AC unit, it's over there. AC unit, obviously the seakeeper, Owen generator, and here are your strainers. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close all the seacocks on each individual. Close each seacock. Okay. Make sure water doesn't come in when I take this top off. Whew. I decided to do this at 6 o'clock when the sun's going down, so it's not too hot. So obviously the seacocks are closed, and now I'm allowed to open this up and pull out the sea strainer. That's that right there. Let's see how bad this one is. Not too bad. Damn, I'm gonna need to wash this. So this is the first time I do this, and I realized that I wish I had a bucket. So now I know for my second time I do this to have a bucket down here with me, so I can clean these things. Alright, I already took this one apart. Take it out. This one's a little more dirty, not too bad. Just a few little leaves there, but not bad. I am gonna wash this engine room when I'm done. Oh boy, this one, look at this. Yeah, This is no bueno. I can't believe the AC looked like this. This is crazy. And this is just 2 weeks. Because owner told me that all this was done 2 or 3 weeks ago. The bottom was cleaned. The AC unit was cleaned with fresh water, which I don't know how to do yet. I gotta look at the manual for that. The sea strainers were all cleaned, but that's crazy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wonder how to take out the water from me. Ooh. Oh my God, that feels nasty in there. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's nasty. Look what I just pulled out of there. Oh no. That is absolutely disgusting. Huh. Ew. Ew. Wow. I know that is not supposed to be like that. Oh my God. It's always something, man. How the hell am I gonna take all that from inside there out? Do I gotta take all that apart? Because this one's clean. See here, this one's somewhat clean. But that is disgusting. Maybe a shop vac. If I bring a shop vac, then I suck the water out with a shop vac and all that stuff inside. Comment down below, what do you guys think? I stick my hand in here, look. It's all full of this stuff. And it's not even being caught by the filter. This is how this looks like. Ugh. This should solve all our problems. Look at the vibes. What a beautiful sunset. So I just got back from Harbor Freight, my favorite store. Those of you who watch the videos often, you know I love my Harbor Freight. Just picked up the shop vac, and this is gonna be the new designated strainer cleaner. Let's see if it works. I haven't done this before, but I have a feeling I'll be able to suck up everything that's inside that nasty container. And I'm only going to be using this as a strainer cleaner. It has 2-year warranty, so if it ever goes bad, I can just get a brand new one. Alright, let's open this up. You enjoying yourself? You like the sunset? Mrs. Boat Vibes. If you guys want to follow her on Instagram, it's Miss Boat Vibes. Send her a DM. She loves it when you guys send her DMs. Alright. Oh man, I gotta clean all this down there now. Alright, Miss Boat Vibes. When I tell you to turn this on, can you turn it on? Please? You guys can see all that nastiness, man. Ew. That's what I'm trying.
You haven't showered.
I know, but can you turn it on, please? Oh, that works awesome. Works perfect. That worked perfectly. Alright, let me do it to the other strainers here. Pick up whatever's in there, even though these are clean. These are good. This one's good. It was only that one that was real bad.
It was really bad.
I know. But if you would have seen how it looked in here.
I did. You spilled it on my flip-flops.
Alright guys, so I turned down all the systems. Turned on both engines, the generator, the Seakeeper. The AC is back on. I want to make sure there's no leaks and everything is working how it should before I leave. I also cleaned the engine room and it's looking a lot better.